Hi everyone! Welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hey, Anna.
Hey David, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, a little nervous, which is actually perfect for today's topic.
Oh, interesting. Why are you nervous?
Well, I was thinking about last weekend. I went to a birthday party. I didn't know many people, and I just stood there, near the wall, holding my drink.
Oh, I know that feeling. You're there, the music is playing, people are laughing, and you think, what do I do? What do I say?
Exactly. And it's even harder when you're speaking in a second language. Your brain goes completely empty.
Your brain goes empty. I love that phrase because it's so real. And you know what? I think a lot of our listeners feel exactly this way.
I really think so. If you're watching this right now and you've ever felt shy or frozen when meeting someone new, this episode is for you.
Yes. Today, we're going to talk about how to meet new people in English, and we're going to go step by step, very slowly, very gently.
No rushing, no pressure, just real, useful English for real life.
But before we start, friends, if you're finding this helpful, please click the like button. It really helps other learners find us.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Every day we have a new conversation just like this one.
Okay, David, let's begin. Where does the fear come from? Why is meeting new people so scary?
I think it starts with one question. What if they don't understand me?
Yes, that question. What if I say something wrong? What if my accent is too strong? What if they walk away?
And when you're thinking all those things at once, you freeze, you say nothing, and then you feel worse.
So, what's the answer? How do we stop that cycle?
I think the answer is start smaller than you think you need to, like really, really small.
Tell me more. What does start small look like in real life?
Okay, imagine you're sitting alone in a cafe. You're waiting for your coffee. The person next to you is also waiting, and you just say one thing.
Just one thing. Like what?
Like, the line is so long today, right? That's it. That's all you need.
Oh, I love that. You're just commenting on the situation. You're not asking something personal. You're not telling your life story.
Exactly. You're just noticing something together, and that's the beginning of a conversation.
And if the person smiles and says, I know, right? The door is open.
The door is open. I like that. So listeners, remember that phrase, the door is open.
It means there's space to talk. The other person is friendly. You can continue.
Okay, so the door is open. Now what? What do I actually say?
You ask one gentle question, something light, something easy, not too personal.
Like what?
In the cafe situation, is this your regular place? Do you come here often? Or even just, have you tried the cake here? Is it good?
Oh, that's nice. You're asking for their opinion. People love sharing their opinions.
They do, and it's so low pressure. Low pressure means relaxed, easy, no stress.
So, lesson 1, start with one small comment about the situation, then ask one easy question.
Perfect summary. Now let's go to situation number 2. You're at a work conference. You don't know anyone. You arrive early. The room is still quiet. There's one other person standing near the coffee table.
Oh, I love the coffee table situation because everyone goes to the coffee table.
It's the safest place in any room. So you walk up, you pour your coffee, and you say,
Good morning. Is this your first time at this conference?
yes, that's a perfect opener. An opener is the first thing you say to start a conversation.
So, is this your first time here is a great opener.
Because it's friendly, it's relevant. Relevant means it fits the situation, and it gives the other person two choices. They can say yes or no, and either way you can continue.
If they say yes, oh, we too. I'm a little nervous.
And if they say no, oh really? So what was it like last year? Should I be excited or scared?
That's funny and friendly at the same time.
Friendly humor is one of the best tools in English conversations. It relaxes both people.
Okay, so now we're talking. They tell me a little about themselves, I tell them a little about me, but then the silence. It comes. It always comes.
The awkward silence.
Yes. And in my head, I think, oh no, the conversation is dying. I failed. Time to walk away and never make eye contact again.
David, no! Silence is not the end. Silence is normal.
It is?
Yes, even native speakers have moments of silence. It doesn't mean anything is wrong, it just means both people are thinking.
So I don't need to panic?
No, if the silence comes, just take a breath, then give a small compliment. A compliment is when you say something nice about the other person.
Like, that's a really nice jacket.
Yes, or you can ask a follow-up question. A follow-up question builds on what they already said.
So if they told me they work in marketing, I could say, oh, that's interesting. Do you enjoy it? What's the best part?
Exactly. You're being curious. Curious means you really want to know. And when you're curious, the conversation flows naturally.
Let me write this down. Follow-up questions and compliments. 2 silence savers.
Perfect. Silent savers. I like that word.
Okay, Anna. New situation. This one is a little scary. Imagine I'm at a party, and there's a group of people already talking and laughing. How do I join that group? It feels impossible.
Oh, joining a group. That is a classic fear. You stand outside the circle and think, how do I get in? Do I just push in? Do I wave? Do I say, hi, new friend here?
Please don't do that.
No. Here's the trick. You look for the person in the group who is a little bit on the edge, not the person who is talking the most. Look for someone who is listening more, who is a little quieter.
Oh, interesting. The quieter person.
Yes. Stand near them, make eye contact, smile, and just wait a moment. Usually they will smile back and maybe even turn to include you a little.
So I don't have to say anything first.
Sometimes you don't, but if you want to say something, you can say, sorry, can I join? You all seem to be having so much fun.
Oh, that's so natural. You all seem to be having so much fun. It's a compliment to the group.
Yes, and people love hearing that. They will almost always say, of course, come join us.
And what if I don't understand what they're talking about? What if I join the group and they're all talking fast and I'm completely lost?
This is so important. And this happens to everyone, not just language learners. Even native speakers miss things sometimes.
Really?
Really. So when you don't understand, just be honest. It's okay. You can say, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say it again, a little slower?
I didn't catch that. What does catch mean here?
Catch here means to hear and understand. So I didn't catch that means I didn't fully understand what you said. It's very natural and polite.
Okay, so I didn't catch that. Can you say it again? Or what about, I'm sorry, my English is still improving. Can you speak a little slower?
That's beautiful. And you know what? When you say that, most people become even kinder. They slow down, they help you, they want you to understand.
Really? They don't judge you?
Most people don't. And the ones who do, well, they're not people you need to be friends with anyway.
True. Okay, let's do a little recap because we've covered a lot.
Great idea. So far, we've learned start with one small comment, use easy openers, don't panic during silence, use follow-up questions and compliments, join groups gently, and be honest if you don't understand.
That's really a full toolkit. A toolkit means a set of useful things.
Yes, your conversation toolkit. Keep adding to it.
But Anna, here's another moment I always struggle with. What about body language? What do I do with my body?
Oh, yes. Your body talks even before you open your mouth.
Wait, really?
Yes. Think about it. If you're standing with your arms crossed and looking at the floor, what does that say?
Leave me alone, or I'm not interested.
Exactly. But if you stand a little tall, keep your arms relaxed, and you smile, you look open. open means friendly, ready to talk.
So even if I'm nervous inside, if I stand tall and smile, I look confident.
Yes, and here's a little secret. When you stand tall and smile, you actually start to feel a little more confident too. Your body affects your feelings.
That's amazing. So fake it a little until it becomes real.
Exactly. And eye contact is also very important. Not staring, that's a little scary, but gentle eye contact. Look at the person when they speak. It shows, I am listening, I care.
I hear you. I see you.
Exactly.
Okay, new situation. Let's say the conversation is going really well. We've been talking for 20 minutes, but now I need to go, or maybe they need to go. How do I end the conversation politely? How do I say goodbye without it feeling weird?
Oh, this is so important. Ending a conversation well is just as important as starting one.
Because if you end it badly, it feels strange, and then you remember that feeling later.
Exactly. So here are some natural ways to end a conversation. You can say, "It was so nice talking with you. I'm going to go get another drink, but it was really lovely to meet you."
Oh, that's smooth. You give a reason, going to get another drink, and you say something warm at the end.
Yes, the reason is just a polite way to exit. Exit means to leave. And the warm ending, "It was really lovely to meet you," that leaves a good feeling.
What other reasons can I use?
I need to say hello to the host, or I'm going to find my friend, but this was such a great conversation. Or even, I don't want to keep you, but it was so good talking.
I don't want to keep you. That means I know you're busy, I won't take more of your time.
Exactly. It's very considerate. Considerate means you're thinking about the other person.
I love that phrase. I don't want to keep you. Very English.
Very English, yes, and very polite.
Okay, so the conversation was great, the goodbye was warm, but now how do I stay in touch? How do I turn a nice conversation into a real friendship?
This is the part a lot of people miss. The conversation goes well, and then both people just walk away and never see each other again.
Yes, and you think, I really liked that person. Why didn't I say anything?
So right before you say goodbye, if you genuinely liked the person, you can say something like, "Hey, I really enjoyed this. Can I give you my number?" Or, "Are you on Instagram?"
Oh, that's direct but friendly. Is that okay to do?
Completely okay. In fact, most people feel happy when someone wants to stay connected. It means you made a good impression. Impression is the feeling you leave in another person's mind.
You made a good impression. I want to remember that phrase.
Yes, and if you feel a little nervous about asking directly, you can make it casual. Casual means relaxed, informal. You can say, "It would be fun to grab coffee sometime. Let me give you my number."
Grab coffee. That means have coffee together. It sounds so easy and light.
Exactly. Not, "I want to be your best friend forever," just grab coffee sometime. Low pressure. The door's open, but there's no stress.
And then later, you can send a message. Something simple like, "Hey, it was so nice meeting you at the party last night. Hope you got home okay."
Yes, that first message after meeting someone is called breaking the ice. Wait, no. Actually, breaking the ice is the first conversation. This is more like keeping the connection warm.
Keeping the connection warm. I love that.
And a simple, friendly message like that shows, "I was thinking about you. I want to continue."
Okay, let's do our final situation. I want this one to bring everything together. Imagine I'm at my neighbor's summer barbecue. I'm standing outside. I don't know most people, but I want to try everything we talked about today.
Oh, I love this. Okay, so you arrive. What's the first thing you do?
I stand tall. I don't cross my arms. I look around and I smile.
Good. And you see someone standing near the food table looking at the salads.
I walk over and I say, "These salads look amazing. Did you try the potato one yet?"
Perfect opener. You're commenting on the situation. You're asking an easy question.
They say, "Not yet. I'm afraid to try too many things at once."
Great, they're being a little funny. So you can laugh and say, oh, same. I usually just eat everything and regret it later.
And now we're both laughing. The door is wide open. I say, I'm David, by the way.
And they say their name, and you say,
So nice to meet you. Are you a neighbor? Do you live nearby?
excellent. A natural, relevant question, and the conversation continues.
Then maybe there's a silence, and I give a compliment. I love your shoes, by the way. Very summer.
Oh, that's cute. Very summer. And they say thank you and start talking again.
And at the end, I say, it was so lovely talking with you. I should go say hi to my neighbor, but it would be so fun to grab a coffee sometime if you're ever free.
Smooth, confident, warm. David, you just made a new friend at a barbecue.
I did, and it started with a comment about potato salad.
It always starts with something small. Always.
Okay, let's do a final recap. I want to go through everything one more time for our listeners.
Yes. So today we learned, number 1, start with one small comment about the situation. Don't overthink it.
Number 2, use easy openers, like, is this your first time here? Or, have you tried this? Simple and natural.
Number 3, ask follow-up questions. Show that you're curious. Keep the conversation moving.
Number 4, silence is okay. Use compliments or questions to restart.
Number 5, if you don't understand, say so. I didn't catch that, or can you speak a little slower? These are brave, honest phrases.
Number 6, your body language matters. Stand tall, smile, make gentle eye contact.
Number 7, end conversations warmly. Give a reason, say something kind, and leave a good impression.
And number 8, the one most people forget, stay in touch. Say the words, ask for the number, send the message.
Because friendships don't just happen. You make them, and you make them with courage.
And the good news is, courage doesn't mean you're not scared. Courage means you try even when you are scared.
That's it. That's the most important thing we said today. Say it again, David.
Courage means you try even when you are scared.
Say it to yourself. Write it down. Because your English is good enough right now to start a conversation. Maybe not perfect, but good enough. And good enough is more than enough.
I feel so motivated right now. I want to go to a cafe and just start talking to someone.
Do it, and come back and tell us what happened. Speaking of which, we have a question for you today, friends.
Yes, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us about one time you met someone new. Where were you? How did it start? What happened?
Or, if you haven't done it yet, tell us where you want to try. Which situation from today feels most useful for your life?
Writing in the comments is also great English practice, so don't be shy.
Never be shy here. This is a safe space. We're all learning together.
And if this episode helped you, please share it with one friend who is also learning English. It's such a kind thing to do.
Sharing is caring, and subscribing is also caring.
That's true.
Okay, friends, we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stand tall, smile big, and say hello to someone new.
You can do this. We believe in you. Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.